Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny and I will be sharing with you the importing tutorial in English version. The Taglish version, by the way, is also available on the channel. Just in case you wanted to check that out, you can find that through our importing tutorial playlist. By the way, I am from the Philippines and I will be sharing based on my knowledge and based on my experience on how I do the importing. I am not an expert, just so you know. So you may check other resources as well, just in case there are things that you need to know more. Before we start our importing tutorial, I would just like to extend a great news to everybody who is watching now, who is supporting the channel, that I will be sharing suppliers from Alibaba very soon with the sample of their products. And that will be up on this channel, so make sure that you subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so you won't miss that opportunity, because that might help you start your own business. I mean, trigger you to start a business, give you an idea that maybe that product or that supplier can collaborate with you and expand your business as well. So let's start this importing tutorial with our step number 1. Of course, if you wanted to import via the Alibaba platform, you have to find a product, then a supplier. It's actually great if you already have an idea what to import. I mean, let's say you've done your research, that's very good. But in case you don't have any idea yet, then that's not a problem at all. I'm saying that based on experience, because I remember when I first used the Alibaba platform, my intention is just to get a supplier of baby diapers, and I was able to do that after a few months of learning the importing process. But to share with you what happened next, I was able to get an idea and import multiple winning products just because of browsing. Believe it or not, I was able to get the idea because I browsed through the Alibaba platform. Maybe that's not an expert advice to say, but again, I am sharing based on my experience and it worked for me, and that can work for you as well. You can simply register and create your account for free on Alibaba platform. In finding a product and a supplier on Alibaba, you can use the search tab. This is as easy as how we do our online shopping. Like, we just need to enter the product name, keywords, or any relevant words about the product that we are looking for. We also have here the image search. This is one of the features on Alibaba that you can maximize in the case that you don't know the product name. All you have to do is upload a picture of the product that you are looking for. And then last but not the least is the RFQ, or the request for quotation. If you are not fan of the manual process of searching, then RFQ might be the solution for you. All you have to do is fill out the RFQ form, provide all the details, like if you are looking for a customized product or maybe you are looking for a ready-to-ship item, just put all the details about the product that you are looking for so the supplier can bid accordingly, because of course they will just depend on what you have provided. But still, you have to remember that everything can still be negotiated. We are just on the step number 1. That's it for our step number 1 of the importing tutorial. Again, this is for all beginners that who would like to try the importing process. The next step is about finding reliable suppliers on Alibaba through supplier assessment. So I will be uploading that next week, so see you to our next tutorial. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to comment on our video. I will try my best to answer it as soon as possible. Bye!